Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today again I'm at SK Auto Care. आपको thumbnail पे से पता चल ही गया रहेगा. We are working on Dominar 250 का chain sprocket at SK Auto Care. The bike belongs to the rider Dinil Rahul. He's traveling all over India. You guys must have seen his chats and updates in the 250 group. So this is his bike. Hey Dinil, say hi to my camera.
Hi.
So this is his bike. This is his setup. एक बार पूरा बाइक once his bike is worked on and completed, I'll show you how his setup is, what all he's carrying and all also. So right now chain sprocket and all is opened. You will see ahead more clips of the work being done, so stay tuned to the channel, stay tuned to the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive all updates from me. If you like this part of the video anywhere, कुछ भी part अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, so don't forget to hit the like button also, and do share it ahead with your friends and family who would be interested in the 250, who would be interested in to know more about the 250. So lots of information on my channel for Dominar, especially there are more than 250 videos on my channel for 250 for the Dominars, 400 especially. Almost bikes are same, so you will come to know a lot of similar things. And of course I've got this Apache now, so Apache ke bhi videos, there'll be at least one video every week, so you can come to know about Apache too. So not wasting much time, let's dive into the stuff and see what all stuff is happening, what all things are happening on the work today. So we're going to start the sprocket removal process. थोड़ा सा खोल दिया था, but we're going to put it back. सुशांत ने वापस बिठा दिया. So you need to remove this cover. This whole swing arm needs to come out. Chain sprocket of course खोलेंगे पूरे, and then you need to remove this axle also. पूरा axle निकलेगा. Brake disc side में आएगा, caliper side में आएगा, and then you get access to this sprocket. Because this is a single chain, there's no link in it. You have to remove everything and put everything back. Plus there is no easy access. This chassis of ours comes in between, because of which we cannot pass the chain directly from here. Usually in other bikes you have space over here between the chassis and the swing arm where you can pass the chain and all, but isme you don't have space, plus there's no link, so that's why we need to open lot of stuff. And this work should never be done at home or something, because there are chances that you would miss something, because there's lots of it's a tedious task, so घर पे try मत करना कभी. Caliper and axle have been taken off. Dinil भाई भी shoot कर रहे हैं. So this bike belongs to Dinil. So the rear wheel is out and क्या क्या निकल रहा है उसमें distance में. So we'll check if the hub rubbers have gone. So by the way, in Pune at least, Sushant के पास this is the first 250 being done. So अरे same है ना hub rubber. So the drum rubbers are the same as 400. And now we'll check if they have gone bad. That's the oil seal coming out. अरे गीला रहेगा first day. गंजले मूव करके देख. Looks good, just small rust outside. So the rear bearing is also the same as 400. So front sprocket भी अभी lose कर रहे हैं. Cover निकाल दिया, and now we'll remove the sprocket. So it had already been loosened by Sushant to check what size and all we have. So the sprocket and the front and rear sprocket in 250 are different to the 400. So Sushant has now gone to Sai Service Fogewadi. They have stock. He'll get the sprocket from there, and chain we're going to try and use the roll-on one. But if we would have used the roll-on kit, it would have been cheaper overall than the Bajaj pricing. Because Sushant, if you all guys know, has very good pricing for the chain kit set for Dominar 400. So what I'll do is in the video ka description I'll leave 400 ka chain sprocket cost, what you will have to pay at Sushant and what you pay outside. आप Dominar जो सर्विस सेंटर पे पे करते हैं, you can compare that with Sushant का cost that I'll leave in the video का description. So this pocket is out and it is slightly bent also. It's not perfectly aligned. ये अपना Dominar का 400 का मतलब. So this is 400 का old sprocket and this is 250 का. size में भी, diameter में भी, it looks like small because of course teeth कम है. So the 400, this one has 15 teeth front and this one has 14 teeth front. A lot of stuff is off the bike. He's removed the sari guard and now he's removing all this cover and all. So that it is easier to access stuff inside, because we need to loosen the shock absorber also to remove the swing arm, and then your chain access will come. So this, as I showed earlier, everything has been removed. We'll lube this, clean this, सब अच्छे से होगा. Guys, remember, जिसके पास भी 400 है उनको ये पता रहेगा कि ये अपना स्लाइडर जो है, चेन स्लाइडर, वो निकल जाता था, लॉक होता था 2017-18 बाइक्स में, एंड देन बजाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अ लॉक ऑन इट. 250 में they've done a very good job. They've provided a lock system by having a bolt only on the swing arm. So it won't bloody move itself, हिलेगा ही नहीं, unless and until this bolt goes loose. लेकिन वो it's a very rare case. So there's a bolt down too. नीचे से भी lock दिया है, तो your bloody slider will not move only any time. So our friend had hard time removing this bolt, निकल ही नहीं रहा था. So then he had to he had to use power tools to remove it. It's finally out, and we'll remove the axle from there, the axle for the swing arm, and then the swing arm should come out. So the shock also has been loosened out. We're just keeping it in place right now. Last में सिर्फ थोड़ा थोड़ा we'll loosen out and then remove the chain. So we've jacked up the bike on the rear footrests. So this is a tool from Bajaj. Okay, it's jacked up on the rear front footrest ka, the footrest ka whole panel. It is resting on that, both the sides, and a jack over here on the engine over here. And then slowly we are removing the axle. So it's pushed it out from here, and axle abhi इस side से it will come out. So just while the work is being done, एक Dominar 400 आई यहाँ पे, and आपने मेरे TRK का वीडियो देखा रहेगा, कल्पेश का कोटिंग का, सिमोनिस का. So this bike was done like 2 वर्ष झाले याला करून, 2 years plus this coating has been done, and look at the shine and finish on it. अभी भी dust है गाड़ी पे, लेकिन फिर भी shine, you can see it is much more. Daniel is checking out his kit that has come for his bike. So here's the new bearing. So if you want to know the bearing number, ये रहा. This is common, again I'm repeating, it's 400 and 250 दोनों में common है. This is the drum rubbers. आपने ये बहुत सारे बार, 2-3 बार देख लिया रहेगा मेरी वीडियोस में पहले भी. ये रहा इसका पार्ट नंबर JU 131222, and this is again common for 250 and 400. Then I Bajaj ka original chain sprocket. So we did not go for roll on here because it is not a straight match. So once I'll अगर सुशांत के पास 250 का kit आ जाता है, so I'll announce on all the groups separately, whether if you're part of my WhatsApp groups, so I'll announce there once we have it. So अभी तो ये original 250 का बजाज से लेके आए हैं. इसका पार्ट नंबर है, लेट मी चेक द पार्ट नंबर, चेन स्प्रॉकेट, पार्ट नंबर निकल गया है. इट इज 36JF0209 आई गेस. लास्ट में हम वील शो यू द होल बिल ऑल्सो, हाउ मच एक्सपेंस हैपेंड एंड ऑल, वी विल शो यू सेपरेटली. दैट्स द न्यू चेन. And swing arm is off. So in the 2019, Bajaj has made some changes where they've provided double lock inside this, and lock nut over here, double lock nut axle निकालने को. So it is quite rigid to remove. So you have to hammer it out and then push the swing arm out. Sushant as usual is lubing the bearing from inside also. Cover निकाल के डाल के. This is the best way to do it, so that your if you see the original grease, अभी दिखाता हूँ, it is so less inside. So you need to add more grease to it so that your bearing lasts longer, because you don't remove this bearing very often. So this is why I prefer to get work done from Sushant. All small details are done really well at very substantial cost. So हमने चेन अभी अंदर डाल दी है. ऑब्वियसली स्विंग आर्म डालने के पहले चेन यू हैव टू पुट अप फ्रंट, ओके। इस स्विंग आर्म के इस पार्ट के पहले चेन डालना है एंड देन स्विंग आर्म उसके साथ अंदर ग्लाइड करना है, सो दैट वे इट विल गो इनसाइड। एंड देन स्विंग आर्म को पीछे से थोड़ा सा हिट करके थोड़ा अंदर पुश कर दो एंड टैली दी होल्स बिफोर पुटिंग दी एक्सेल। ये जो होल जहाँ पे है वो मैच करके देन ही स्विंग आर्म का एक्सेल डालना है। So hub rubbers new in place. This is the old sprocket and this is the new sprocket. Bolts?
अरे bolts किधर? सारे व्हील पर
ये bolts ना? Sorry, nuts. नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स में आज तक मेरा कंफ्यूजन गया नहीं है बोलते समय। सो विल जस्ट प्लेस द नट्स राइट नाउ इन द प्लेस एंड फुल टाइट हब पे बैठने के बाद करेंगे। हरीश भाई इज रेडी विथ द एक्सेल टू गो इनसाइड। होल्स मैच हो चुके हैं। लेट मी शो यू फ्रॉम द अदर साइड आल्सो। यहाँ से द एक्सेल इज कमिंग आउट। Always make sure all the holes are aligned and then only start pushing it. So it's inside. यहाँ से washer और nut बैठेगा अभी। So, सुशांत is now adding this sprocket. सब एक साथ टूट पड़े हैं। सुशांत पे उधर से दिनिल शूट कर रहा है, इधर से मैं शूट कर रहा है। एंड बॉलीवुड मूवी मल्टीपल एंगल्स। एंड इस साइड से अपने हरीश भाई इज फिटिंग दी मड गार्ड वगैरह, जो पीछे का मड फ्लैप वगैरह ये सब इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं, ये सब माउंट कर रहे हैं सो दैट एवरीथिंग इज we actually have Daniel has to travel again to Lonavala today. You all guys know that he keeps traveling all over India. South अभी कर चुके हैं in last 8-9 months that he's bought the bike. He's not a bike enthusiast, he's a traveling enthusiast, so he likes to travel. So he's got more info. If you ask him information about the place and all where he's visited, he'll be able to tell you that. But bike के बारे में पूछोगे तो he doesn't know much because he bought this bike just as a medium to travel around all over India. And not because he's a bike enthusiast and he wants to travel, but he's a travel enthusiast. He likes to meet people. He likes to, eat different food styles of all over India. Look at, he's shooting me also. He likes to explore places. He will camp out. उसका पूरा सामान वो लेके चलते हैं. He's got one small top box there. He's got 2 saddlebags here. He's got his own tent here. He's got his own stove and gas also along with him. तो ये सब लेके चलते हैं. जिधर भी कैम्प करते हैं वो बनाते हैं. सो मैं क्या करूँगा, इनका आई लीव हिज यूट्यूब लिंक एंड इंस्टाग्राम लिंक इन द वीडियो का डिस्क्रिप्शन.
दिस इज माय माय क्लोथ्स एंड माय एक्सेसरीज, एवरीथिंग आई विल कीप हियर. दिस इज माय किचन सेटअप एंड माय एक्टिविटीज लाइक वर्कआउट एंड ऑल आई विल डू विथ रोप. आई हैव ropes. Okay. So I'll do with workouts and all with these ropes and all.
Okay.
So this is my camping.
Your tent.
Yeah, Decathlon I bought. So wherever I go in forest and all, I stay in this camping only. Yeah. And I have one more bag in tail box. That is my camera accessories.
Okay, everything is there.
Everything, my food, snacks and all, I put that tail box.
Back there. Okay. So this is how he travels. So I leave his Instagram and YouTube in the video ka description. Do watch him. Do follow him. You'll get a lot of stuff. He's from South, so he cannot speak much Hindi. You'll find more of his vlogs in English and all. So please excuse him for that. Obviously, everyone does not know all the languages. So brakes are being just cleaned and before installation.
Brakes are fine.
Pads are, they look okay. They last for 5,000 kilometers aram se.
Okay.
Easily. So now axle is going in place and almost final हो चुका है सब. नहीं खाली गेला, व्हील खाली गेला. पकड़ू वो साइड से. ये साइड से व्हील अंदर गया, ये साइड से कैलिपर एडजस्ट करके they'll put it inside. So guys, this is his bill. Chain sprocket 2317, drum rubbers 306, your sprocket bearing 164, and the whole labor is like 350, and the cost is 3137. We're saying goodbye to Daniel bhai. He's leaving now. He's happy with all the work. बिल तो आपने देख लिया है SK ऑटो का. सो अगर आपको भी, आपके पास भी 250 आपको काम करवाना है आउट ऑफ वारंटी, डू कम टू SK. Of course, ये बजाज ऑथराइज नहीं है, but he does real superb job at really good low rates, and mainly the job is good. So Daniel is also very happy. So overall, happy, right?
Super, such a nice guy he is. Prashant, right?
Sushant,
sorry. Sushant, such a nice guy and very less price, guys. Trust me, very, very less price. He made all these stuff, chains, pockets, everything he did. I'm very happy. Please visit if you are in Pune. SK
Arctic.
Yeah, thank you.
Chalo. Ride safe, have fun. So guys, I'll end my vlog here, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and bye bro, and do share the video ahead.